Hello guys, in our previous video, means last video, we created the a alignment and I explained about this, and even we have our assembly here and profile. This is the surface profile, this is the our layout profiles. Now we are going to create the sample lines and sections, means each interval we will create the sections. So how do we do? First we have to create the sample line. So please you have to go here, click just once here and come to here on the our corridor, because it's asking, you see the downside alignment. So just we click here the once and enter, then we'll see the name of the our alignment, then okay. Come to here and create the sample line groups. Okay, then this pop-up will be appear here. You give to your sample line name, any name you can give. I'm giving to same railway rail alignment bus. Okay, this name, any name you can give, and the description no need. If you want to give for your remember see, then you can give the descriptions. Here you nothing change, here nothing change. Come to down here. Here this is our existing surface and this is the track, our assembly which we created the assembly, same this one, and there are link of the corridors, and this is the railway track. This is the another one, our surface we given to surface, we assign to surface to our alignment, corridors. So these things no need to change. You just come to here, this is the existing and this is we have to change here. Just click and again once click, then pop-up will appear, because this level is the final finished ground. After complete our railway line, we see the both side how to the ground surface. So that will be the finished ground and okay, and just once you have to click okay. Okay, then see, you can see here, you see one arrow, one line is following our alignment. So it's asking where you want to create the sample lines. So we don't want to create the one line. If the one line, then just we click to anywhere in our chainage or where we want, we can create, but it will be single line. We want multi lines every 20 meters or maybe 10 meter or 30 meter, that we'll see later. Just you click here, then come to here. Here the options are more options. Okay, just you click here by range of the station, means chainage. How much far you need your lines there. This is the left swath or right swath, you know, change here. You come to here, that sampling increment, it's asking to increment along 10 20 meter, 20 meter, 20 meter, we want this one. And another, you see here already that true and true. So you want to on the starting point, yani 0 your chainage, then you put here true. If you want to start the next point, then you false. So better you put the true here. Also in the same end point, where is our alignment will be end up to there. So put in the true. Now nothing have to change, just click OK. Yes, once. Click, after that enter, hit the once enter. After hit the enter, your this tab has gone and you come to here in our corridor and see that this is our sample lines here. See, so many sample lines are here. Every 20 meter, 20 meter, 20 meter. If you want to change, then again we just click and right click and go and sample group line. We change here, have so many options, we can change it to 10 meter, 10 meter. Okay. Now it's that 20 meters, because we put that 20 meters by default there. So our sample line is there now completed. here created. We have to create now our sections. So how do we create the section? Just you come to here in this same panel, profile and section view, where we took the sample lines down to sample line. This is the section view. Just you click the down arrow here, then you have to see the more the options. This is the create multiple views, means more view sections, and the create section view means only single, which is we choose that line one by one. So we want to create all once one time. So just we come here and click to create multiple views. Okay. Now this window has opened. Here showing our alignment name. This is our sample line group, because it's a more alignment and more sample lines group. Then we have to choose here by click this down arrow, because we have only one, so it's showing one. And this is the our alignments start to end change. So nothing have to change here. You not change, because our section name, matlab section where our section is the creating, the change will be showing. So by default this script you don't change. After that, here see the section styles are showing the road section. So you not change here. It's showing my some small half not showing, because of the my screen resolutions are big. Okay. Then this general has completed it. Section placement, you come to here where you want to put your sections. You want section in this your shame drawing, then you select this the draft. And if you have a layout, or you want to create the layout, means sheet for final the printing, then you select here. So now no need. In next we project, then we create the our this template by name, our name, and we modify it, and then we will use that sheet. So layout will be appear here all. So now no need to do these things. Next things, offset range. So this our section will be show to right hand and the left hand 2020. So okay, we'll put it there 50. Then we have to specify here. Then we put the 50. Okay, but now I don't want to change, just a automatic. Okay, our if the layout will be not cover this, then we will come back and change to here. So now we are not going to change. And now come to down the elevation range. Elevation, it will be automatically cover down to top as per our section heights. Now come to section display, come from here or maybe come from here. Next it is here. So what will be show in the our section will be display. This thing will be show existing ground level, and railway track means our sub assemblies, and this one our road track outside after that finish. The labels, okay, if you want to change here you can change, or you don't want, then not need to change. Later we can change our labels. Like if the finish ground level or easy ground level, if you want to change this, you come to here and you see the options are there. You can change. So easy adjacent section labels. Okay, just I am putting here this one. Next here we are putting the edge section levels. Finish ground levels. This okay. In the center, our basic assemblies, we no need to labels. Okay. Then go to again next data band. Data band, you understood when we create our profile, then the here this side and downside, the showing change, elevations, slope percentage, that we say data band. So now we are not going to create any data band, just to create the section views. Okay. Now it's asking where you want to create your sections. So just I'm going to click here. Now section creating. Yes, already created. You see here our section is showing here. You see here is the showing here. See, all are showing. Section is now here. And then sections how to be understood. See, this is the red color. This is the our existing ground level. They created the labels, and this is the finished ground level. Here is the also cutting the labels are there. So this is our surface ground level. Here we have to fill this much area. This much area we have to fill this one. Okay, in this section we have to fill here. And slope is the showing the minus 25% means 1:4. Okay. Next, where is the cutting will come? We have to come this way. You see, in this section we have to cut more because our existing ground level is this one and our railway track is here. So from this area to this area we have to this much all we have to cut. This is the cutting area. Okay. And here also cutting area. So you can go and check to in the our profile. See, come to profile here. See, in this area is the filling or this area is the cutting. Okay, so cutting area here also cutting area. So I showing you two places. Where is the this is the maximum filling here. So this chainage you see the 300. Okay, 300. And another is the cutting area. Here is the 460. So 300 and 460 two we are going to check. Now the 300 here given the chainage you see 280, then it is the 300. 300. You can see here this area is the filling. 300 is filling as per our profile. And now we go to 460 chainage. Where is the 420 460 this chainage. Here you come and see this area. This is the cutting. This area first we have to cut all this one. We have to cut, then we have to start our track, this materials, what this material, what this material, what this material, what material, and you fix the rail track. Then rail will be passed here, and this area is high from the our track area. So I think you understood well. Now our section and sample line creating is the completed it. Next video I will tell to you how to we take up the earthwork quantity, means the filling and cutting quantity, how to be take in the Excel sheet, or we will attach one table to each our section, and this is the material. This material we will how much this material will become